For all my new subscribers, it might not matter, but for all my old subscribers who watch me regularly, yes, there's a change, right? Hairstyle. Not much of a difference, the same old hairstyle. I like this hairstyle, so I keep it. Nice summer cut, and then I can still maintain the style, the swag. Also, yesterday was a weekend, it was a Sunday, so all of us friends met properly. Like 90% of our gang came to this meeting. We had a great time at this place called Broadway in Jubilee Hills Road number 45. One amazing place, superb interiors, one of the best places I've seen in the recent times. She's hiding from the camera.
I'm not hiding. I'm on Insta. I'm seeing a picture.
Oh, she's seeing my picture.
The old one, the Goa one. This one. I'm seeing this. I didn't see Insta.
Is it nice, by the way?
Yeah, it's nice.
You liked it? That's like the first.
Yeah, it's nice.
Second bike trip that I did.
I remember this T-shirt. You would
when
wear it
I had the Benelli 600i, that is the second bike trip I did. उसके पहले first bike trip ever, long one, Hyderabad to Bangalore. I gave her a surprise. ये कभी भी मेरे को surprise नहीं दी थी.
Really?
I gave so many surprises.
झूठे?
I rode from Hyderabad to Bangalore, my first ride on the 600i. No experience in biking, but still I rode to show, just to give her a surprise.
What do you mean no experience? You had experience in biking.
Chotu bikes. It's a long journey. For me, bikes were like just to commute from my home to a grocery store, not from Hyderabad to Bangalore. आजकल तो Ladakh, Rajasthan.
Okay. I'm hungry now.
Yeah, we are hungry. Right now we're waiting here on road number 45 for my friends to come. As soon as they come, we'll leave.
Ask Shiva if he came.
We had to reach there by 2 o'clock. Yeah, we booked a table at 2 o'clock. अभी तक कोई भी नहीं है. अभी time हो रहा 2:45. 2:40. Bike ride को late, dinners को late, lunch को late, breakfast late. Broadway. Unfortunately, I don't think I can vlog like properly because of the sound. Suju bhai with a gundu. Mera hairstyle is rocking. The Eddie boy, the Edwin. Hi. Nani has been long since I've seen him. He came last in. He never came in my vlogs, right?
He never do vlogs.
Never in my vlogs. Mrs. Pilot, Mrs. T120, Shiva's wife. Manogna.
Hi, vlog
The group's rockstar, Mr. Shiva T120. the damaged Duke. For everyone who has a doubt about Rohit, is a pilot or not, here he is. Full uniform mein. He is coming straight from the airport. How was your flight?
It was a training flight, yeah.
I started vlogging, did a little bit of vlog. I think 10 or 15 minutes into the vlog, I was expecting this. Security guy comes in and tells me, no cameras allowed, sir. I was expecting for someone to come and tell me to stop using the video camera. I mean, yeah, HD wala iPhone camera is better than this camera. Actually, I can use this, but a DSLR shouldn't be used. I don't get this logic in India. Anyways, your place, your rules, I'll respect it. Kya yaar, in fact, I would promote your place properly to at least 20,000 people in Hyderabad. Anyways, coming to the main point from the title, you've already seen it. How did I actually buy a 13.37 lakh rupee bike? Now, to explain all this properly, I need a get ready for some lecture. I need a blackboard. In case you're not interested in blackboard and all that classroom kind of stuff, then anyways, I'll try to keep it very simple and finish it fast. Let's go to the blackboard. हमारे पास blackboard नहीं है, so I just discovered something. I can actually use my table once again, the unboxing part. I can use my whiteboard markers and I'm able to erase it. How cool is that? Alright, this is Sriman Kotaru in the year 2009. Yes, he was a little bit slim like this. Nowadays थोड़ा मोटा हो गया, but at least diagram में तो पतला दिखाएंगे यार. Anyway, Sriman Kotaru from 2009 onwards till 2012, he worked. Later also he worked, but let's talk about this event. During this 3 years, he worked in a couple of companies like Google, some random businesses he did, and then again worked in some random companies, again did some random businesses. After all the expenses, yes, 8 lakh rupees in his pocket. Yeah, that's not a pocket, but let's assume it's a pocket for now. Now, usually at the age of 18 to 25, what people do is a very wrong thing. They go and invest. If they have some money, they'll go and invest on a bike, maybe a car, maybe some fancy stuff like watches, Xbox, all that kind of stuff. But Hamara Sriman Kotaru was kind of sensible when it comes to financial management. Thoda sa. What he did was he invested this 8 lakhs that he had into, you can't guess this, real estate. He bought a single bedroom apartment. AP apartment spelling kya hai bhul gaya. He bought a 1 bedroom apartment for 8 lakh rupees. He did this great investment. Now 2012, fast forward almost 2015, 3 years. This 8 lakhs became, thanks to the market appreciation, 8 lakhs became almost 14 lakhs. Now I had 14 lakhs in my pocket, like 14 lakh in his pocket once again. But in 2015, Hamara Sriman Bhai did something bad. Like, not bad, but he followed a little bit of his passion. He likes bikes. So what he did was, let's enjoy a little bit bolke. He acted like a typical 18 to 25-year-old kid. And he bought the Benelli 600i. He had 14 lakhs here. He spent 6.5 here on the 600i. And the rest of the money, which was somewhere around 7.5 lakhs, he put it in mutual funds. That's amazing. Now in 2015, he still had 7.5 lakhs as mutual fund, and he got his favorite bike that time. Unfortunately, Sriman got into some bad addiction. Any addiction is not good for you. Let it be food, let it be sugar, let it be drugs, doesn't matter. If you're addicted to something, it's really bad, not good. Got addicted to biking, riding. He felt he wanted to tour the country a lot. He got this urge, and what he did was he started touring on the 600i, which he felt is not good because this is not a proper tourer. He just bought a street bike. He wanted a better touring machine. That is where Amara Triumph Tiger comes in. Amara Dark Horse. This was a huge investment because this is almost 13.5 lakhs on road. I'm including all the accessories and all that I bought. Actually it's a little bit more, but yeah, let's keep it at 13.5 lakhs. Now, because he's not a super rich guy, what he decided to do is he sold the Benelli 600i for 5.5 lakhs. Gone picture se. Abhi he's got 5.5 lakhs plus 7.5 lakhs of mutual funds. Now, something you have to observe here is this 7.5 lakhs was not actually 7.5 lakhs. It grew because of mutual funds, because of the market fluctuation. He was getting somewhere around 26% annually. 7.5 lakhs was somewhere around 10.9 lakhs as on 2017. See, look at this. Put it in the right place, your money increased by 26%. Put it in the wrong place, depreciating asset, that is the bike, 6.5 became 5.5 lakhs, 1 lakh loss. That is the reason you need to invest your money in the right places, not the wrong places. But then it's equally important to live. It is equally important to do things that you really love, and that is the reason it's okay. Anyways, no regrets. Let's get back to this ganda sa diagram. 2017 में Sriman Bhai decided to get the Tiger. And you guys have seen the video, but वो video was like 10 minutes long. उसके पीछे ये पूरा story है. Sriman got 5.5 lakhs from the Benelli, and the rest of the amount, which is 8 lakhs approximately, he removed it from the mutual fund investment. A very bad thing to do, but once again, when you think that's your only way to feel happy, then maybe. अभी ये सब मिला के हो गया 13.5 lakhs cash in his pocket. And then म्यूचुअल फंड में it was 10.9 minus 8 lakhs बाइक के लिए निकाल दिया, so he still got 2.9 lakhs, almost say 3 lakh rupees in the mutual fund. I bought an apartment, I sold it. I bought the Bentley 600i, I sold it. I bought the Tiger today, doing pretty good. How much was my hard-earned money in this? Only 4 lakhs. Rest all, the market played a role. You know, this is something that most of us people don't do, especially in this age group. Okay, forget age group, generally even people above 30, above 40 also don't do this. You have to be very disciplined when it comes to financial management. That is the way your investments should work for you. You shouldn't be slogging your butt for money. Your money should work for you. Earning is very important. Now I'll not tell you how to earn money because there are a million ways, depends on your passions, depends on what you want to do. Whatever you do, work hard, be very sincere at your work, be the best at it, money will flow. So earning, I'm not going to tell you. But if you just earn, doesn't matter how much you earn, that money will never stay. Spend on things that are really, really needed. If you have a phone which works pretty good, keep it. Do not sell it and buy one more phone. All these are depreciating assets, guys. Don't invest your money in stupid things like phones, watches, shoes and all this stuff. Especially when you did not make your wealth yet, or especially if you're under the age of 25. Now let's say you started saving as well. But just saving it doesn't make you money. If you're putting that money in your savings account, imagine this. I have a 100 rupee note today. This 100 rupee note can get me this much of rice as of 2019. But in 2020 or maybe 2025, 5 years later, what happens is this 100 rupees is still with you because you saved it properly. This can't buy you that much of rice in 2025. You can get only this much of rice. This is basically called inflation in economic terms, or basically what happened is the value of rice has increased a lot, but the value of your note, it's still 100 rupees. That is the reason you have to go and invest this in the right place so that it can compete with the rising prices of your commodities. Your 100 rupees becomes 300 rupees someday after investing, and you can buy the same amount of rice or maybe more with the same 100 rupees that you earned. So first earn, then save, then the third most important of all of these steps is invest. Now for example, I have my laptop that works pretty well. I had a plan to get a very fast 2019 version MacBook Pro which cost me almost 2.2 lakhs. Though my work is completely dependent on a laptop, still I stopped the urge to buy a new one. I saved 2.2 lakhs. इस पे काम चल रहा. Thing is, it's a little bit slow. That is how I'm giving you all these videos, right? It is working, no problem with it. Only because I want my rendering speed to increase by 10 or 15%, maybe 50%. But I sat and thought for a second, is that 50% faster work important to me? No, as of now, no. I have a little bit of time that I can spare. It's okay, it can render for 2 hours, no problem. But I'm gonna save 2 lakh rupees, 2.2 lakh rupees. That is the way you need to think. If you want to get some new phone, think in that way. So that's about it, guys. I hope you people got some good information from this vlog. I'm not saying you'll become super rich following all these things, but definitely it will help you because it helped me. That's how I got the Tiger. I think I'm kind of little thoda sa successful hai. In case you feel my advice is good, hit the like button. In case you feel it's wrong, and if you feel that there's something better you can do, then definitely comment down below and suggest our subscribers what can be done better. So guys, then I'll see you in the next vlog. Remember, your wealth is something that makes you strong, not the things around you, not the bike, not the laptop, not the phone, not the fancy watch. Your net worth, your wealth is gonna make you confident in life and strong. See you. Bye bye.